PYXA is a DIY game console. PYXA comes as an all-inclusive do-it-yourself kit, allowing users to build their game console and create their own video games whilst learning about coding. During the assembly, users will get familiar with components of a game console and explore their functions. Assembly is fairly simple, as it doesn't require any tools or prior knowledge. Once done with the assembly, users can start coding with Arduino software. Our educational guide is aimed at beginners and will take you through every step of creating a video game. Alternatively, you can simply download the video games we have already created, upload them to your PYXA, and start playing. PYXA is a great way to learn about programming and game development. With PYXA, you can create your own video games from scratch, replicate any retro video game you like, or make a storytelling game by using actual images. Explore how a game console works, create your own video games, and share them with your friends. PYXA by CreoCode.
This is Kelly, a girl who loves sanitizing her stuff every day. But sometimes, she can't take her cleaning kit everywhere. But now she has UVGLO, the smallest portable ultraviolet UVC sterilizer. The UVC light is efficient in killing various kinds of germs, viruses, molds, and fungus. Smaller and lighter than a USB, UVGLO's super tiny size allows you to bring it anywhere. It's super easy to use. Just plug it into your phone. No physical trash at all. UVGLO is lead-free and eco-friendly. The slow thermal resistance prevents items from overheating damage. Gives you 100% safety. UVGLO has lighting and Type-C version, so it supports both Apple and Android devices. UVGLO, your best pocket sterilizer.
Here's the problem with air purifiers. You don't know if they actually work. You breathe, the purifier cleans, you breathe again, and everything feels the same. The purifier is like your friend John, who you've asked to donate $5 to your favorite charity. He says he did, but did he? You can get an air analyzer, but just like you and your lying friend John, they don't talk to each other. Meet Aura Air, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. Aura Air uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the Sterilizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, Aura Air's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, Aura Air's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. Aura Air teamed up with Breezometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get Aura Air. Now let's take care of that dependable friend problem. Here's David. Trust us, he's great.
MacBook has become thinner, lighter, and more powerful with every iteration. But most users have missed the MagSafe, one of the best features of the old design. Introducing MagX, a magnetic adapter that brings back the MagSafe experience we all love. Now you can charge your MacBook at up to 100 watts. Yeah, just like before. You will never want to use anything else after trying the MagX just once. It's not just convenient. The MagX protects the USB-C against dust, wear and tear, and even saves your MacBook from falling by accident. MagX is more than just MagSafe. With the 20-pin design, it supports up to 10 gigabits per second SuperSpeed Plus data transfer and 5K video output. To make MagX compatible with the MacBook, even in appearance, we designed it using the same metallic style, making it both durable and aesthetically pleasing. MagX is not just for Mac. Its 4.3A fast charging works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Back us now and change the way you charge your new Mac today.
Just wear it. Create a new routine. The most effective and high-quality wearable sunglasses. IRONPEAK. When your smartphone is connected to IRONPEAK, you can check sounds around you and listen to music at high quality.
She swears she's overcome her past. Yeah, she's walking with a passion, moving with desire. She fights for what she wants. She's going up, she's going higher. Look into her face, determination.
Moreover, offering the most comfortable vision using NXT lens. In order to respond to various kinds of environments, IRONPEAK offers various types of NXT lenses. IRONPEAK RX lenses guarantee same material as NXT sun lenses, providing a wide range of visual field, unbreakable for life and comfort as daily prescription. Considering how we solved the built-in battery issue that only lasts less than 4 hours, usually on current market, enjoy our replaceable battery pack and charger. Once the battery and charger are fully charged, you can use it more than 20 hours with replacement. IRONPEAK also provides the function that users can easily talk on the phone while they are exercising.
She's always there to win. And if you find her quiet, then look out, she's torn within, because she's fire walking. She's fire walking.
IRONPEAK is designed for daily life and sports at the same time, but tend to be more sports oriented. The face contact parts are made of soft elastomer and to suit for outdoor activities. 6 curved wraparound design can be placed on your face with firm stability